Motivational moment number 97, you are what you eat. Food is fuel. What you eat has a massive influence on how you feel, your energy levels, your brain functioning, and overall health and well-being. However, a good diet does not have to be tedious, time-consuming, or even expensive. Here are some of my favourite tips for eating more healthily. Number 1, avoid the law of ready meals by batch cooking. Use some time over the weekend, net time, no extra time. Put on some great music or a podcast, or have your family do it with you and cook some healthy dishes that you can freeze and warm up during the rest of the week. Number 2, look for recipes which are healthy and quick to prepare. Both Joe Wicks and Jamie Oliver both have cookbooks with meals containing uncomplicated ingredients that are quick and easy to make. Plan your meals for the week ahead and you're less likely to buy unhealthy ready meals, processed food, or order takeaways. Many of us underestimate the harmful effects of a poor diet, especially the long-term impact. When you change to a more healthy diet, you also boost your immune system and overall ability to fight off infection and disease.